Life is a journey filled with choices. Every day, we are faced with decisions that shape our path and define our future. These choices, whether big or small, accumulate over time, creating the mosaic of our lives. Each decision, like a brushstroke on a canvas, adds depth and color to our personal story. Some are simple, like what to wear or what to eat. These everyday choices may seem trivial, but they reflect our preferences, our moods, and even our values. They are the small threads that weave the fabric of our daily existence, contributing to our sense of identity and routine. Others are life-altering, shaping our destiny. These pivotal moments demand our full attention and weigh heavily on our minds. They are the crossroads where we must decide which path to take, knowing that each choice will lead us down a different road with its own set of challenges and rewards. And then there are those that tear at the very fabric of our being, forcing us to confront our deepest desires and fears. These are the decisions that keep us awake at night, the ones that make us question who we are and what we truly want from life. They push us to our limits, testing our resilience and our resolve. The choice between love and money, a tale as old as time, is one such crossroads. It is a dilemma that has been explored in countless stories, songs, and films, reflecting its universal relevance. This choice forces us to weigh the tangible comforts of wealth against the intangible joys of love and companionship. Imagine a young woman, her heart ablaze with love for a man who could offer her the world. He is charming, successful, and promises a life of luxury and ease. His wealth opens doors to experiences and opportunities that she has only dreamed of, painting a picture of a future filled with comfort and security. He whispers promises of luxury, his words dripping with the allure of diamonds and caviar. But there's a catch. His life, though glittering on the surface, is marked by a past she knows little about. His experiences, his history, and his age create a gap that love alone may not bridge. He is older, his hair streaked with silver, his life a tapestry woven with the threads of a past she never knew. His stories are rich with experience, but they also carry the weight of time and the shadows of old wounds. His world is one of sophistication and elegance, but it is also one that may feel distant and unfamiliar to her. On the other side stands a young man, his eyes reflecting the fire of ambition, his hands calloused from the struggle to build a life together. He is passionate, driven, and full of dreams. His love is pure and untainted by the complexities of wealth and status. He offers a future built on mutual effort and shared aspirations. He speaks of love, of shared dreams, of conquering the world hand in hand. His vision of the future is one of partnership and growth, where both partners support and uplift each other. Together, they can face any challenge, overcome any obstacle, and create a life filled with love and fulfillment. But his pockets are empty, his future uncertain. The path he offers is fraught with financial instability and the unknown. It requires a leap of faith, a willingness to embrace the risks and uncertainties that come with building a life from the ground up. It is a journey that demands courage, resilience, and unwavering commitment. This is the dilemma that countless women face. The agonizing choice between a life of comfort and security and the intoxicating uncertainty of love in the face of adversity. It is a decision that requires deep introspection and a clear understanding of one's values and priorities. Ultimately, the choice is deeply personal, reflecting the unique desires and aspirations of each individual. Let's be honest, the allure of wealth is a powerful siren song. It's a dream that has captivated humanity for centuries, from the ancient empires of gold to the modern skyscrapers of financial districts. The idea of having more than enough, of living in opulence, is a fantasy that transcends cultures and generations. Who hasn't dreamed of a life free from financial worry, a life where the stress of bills and expenses is a distant memory, replaced by the freedom to enjoy the finer things? Imagine waking up in a luxurious resort, the sound of waves gently lapping at the shore, knowing that your biggest concern for the day is choosing between a spa treatment or a gourmet meal. A life where bills are paid without a second thought, where vacations are extravagant escapes, and where designer labels adorn a walk-in closet that rivals the size of a small apartment. Picture yourself strolling through high-end boutiques, the latest fashion at your fingertips, or lounging on a private beach, the world's worries far behind you. For a young woman who has spent her life navigating the choppy waters of poverty, the promise of financial security can feel like a life raft in a stormy sea. The contrast between her current struggles and the potential for a brighter future is stark. The thought of escaping the cycle of debt and hardship, of providing a stable and prosperous life for her loved ones, is a beacon of hope. The chance to provide for her family, to offer her children opportunities she could only dream of, can be a powerful motivator. Imagine the joy of seeing her children thrive in a private school, excelling in their studies, and participating in activities that were once out of reach. The ability to create lasting memories, to enjoy quality time without the shadow of financial stress, is a dream worth pursuing. And then there's the lifestyle. The allure of wealth isn't just about financial security, it's about the experiences and the status that come with it. Imagine hosting lavish dinner parties in a high-end apartment surrounded by friends and family, every detail meticulously planned to perfection. Imagine being whisked away on a private jet, your every whim catered to by a staff that anticipates your every need. The convenience and luxury of private travel, the ability to go anywhere in the world at a moment's notice, is a privilege that few can afford but many dream of. Imagine attending glamorous galas, rubbing shoulders with the rich and famous, your world transformed into a fairy tale. The allure of wealth is not just about the material possessions but the doors it opens, the experiences it affords, and the sense of accomplishment it brings. It's a dream that continues to captivate and inspire, driving people to strive for a life of abundance and luxury. But let's not sugarcoat it. Marrying for money comes with its own set of challenges. Whispers follow you like shadows. Are you really in love, or are you just another trophy wife? A beautiful bauble on the arm of a man who collects possessions like he collects experiences? And what about your dreams? Will they be sacrificed on the altar of his ambition? Will you be expected to trade your aspirations for a life of charity luncheons and social engagements, your voice lost in the cavernous halls of his mansion? Now let's talk about love on the other side of the tracks. The love that blossoms in the heart of struggle, where every penny is earned through sweat and sacrifice. This is a love that knows the sting of poverty, the gnawing fear of an empty pantry, the weight of the world on young shoulders. This is the love that sleeps on a lumpy mattress in a cramped apartment, where laughter echoes off chipped paint and threadbare carpets. This is the love that shares a single can of beans for dinner, finding joy in the simplest of pleasures. Section 5, a glimpse into paradise. But don't be fooled by the hardships. These moments of struggle are but a chapter in their story, a story that is rich with love and resilience. This love, forged in the fires of adversity, possesses a strength and resilience that money can't buy. It's a bond that grows stronger with each challenge faced, each obstacle overcome. It's a love that finds beauty in the mundane, in the everyday moments that many overlook. It's in the shared laughter over a simple meal, the joy found in doing household chores together. It's a love that celebrates small victories as if they were Olympic triumphs. Every little success is a testament to their teamwork and mutual support. It's a love that thrives on shared dreams, on the plans they make together for a future filled with hope and promise. They dream not just for themselves but for each other. It's a love built on the unwavering belief that together they can overcome any obstacle. Their determination is a beacon of hope, guiding them through the darkest times. It's a love that finds solace in stolen moments, in the quiet times when they can simply be together, away from the world's chaos. In the warmth of a shared blanket on a cold night, they find comfort and peace. These moments are their sanctuary, a place where their love is most evident. In the silent understanding that passes between two souls who have weathered life's storms together, there is a profound connection. It's a love that has stood the test of time, a love that continues to grow and flourish, surrounded by the family they have built together. Section 6. The price of privilege. Back on the other side of town, in a world of gated mansions and chauffeured limousines, love can sometimes feel like a rare commodity. The pursuit of wealth can be all-consuming, leaving little room for genuine connection. The very things that once seemed so alluring, the freedom from financial worry, the endless possibilities, can become gilded cages, trapping you in a life devoid of genuine emotion. Section 7. Finding love in the shadow of wealth. But let's be clear, not every wealthy man is incapable of love, and not every woman who marries into wealth is destined for a life of quiet desperation. There are couples who find love despite the odds, who build empires together, who find joy in sharing their good fortune with the world. These are the couples who understand that true wealth lies not in the size of your bank account, but in the richness of your relationships, in the love that binds you together through life's triumphs and tribulations. Section 8. Can money buy happiness? So, can money buy happiness? The answer, my friends, is a resounding no. Money can buy you comfort, security, and 1,000 material possessions, but it cannot buy you love. It cannot buy you happiness. Happiness, true happiness, comes from within. It comes from finding your purpose, from pursuing your passions, from surrounding yourself with people who love you for who you are, not for what you can give them. Section 9. The heart's true desire. In the end, the choice between love and money is a deeply personal one. There is no right or wrong answer, only the path that feels true to your heart. But as you stand at this crossroads, remember this. Love is a precious gift, one that should never be sacrificed for the sake of material possessions. Listen to your heart, my sisters. Follow your dreams, and never ever settle for anything less than the love you deserve.